draw some 3D figures by using PowerPoint. So let's first draw a 3D ball by using PowerPoint. Let's go to Insert and insert a circle. When you insert a circle, press the button Shift, and you are got a very perfectly circle. Now we are going to lock the ratio. So no matter what you expand, you are enlarge or reduce the size, the radius of the circle, it will definitely a circle. And now if we want to draw a ball convenient, we are going to set the diameter of this circle. Just like if we set this 4 cm, you can press 4 cm in the shape format. Now we have got a circle with a diameter of 4 cm. So if we want this circle become a 3D ball, let's go into the shape format panel and go into the 3D format. Now we can see there are lots of choices, that top level, bottom level. So let's first change the top level. In there they have lots of options like circle, like angle, anything, and you can play around with that. Now if we are going to draw a 3D ball, we choose circle, and if we choose circle, we know the diameter of this circle is 4 cm, so the radius is 2 cm. Then the width and height of this circle in the top level should be same with the circle. So we are set this 2 cm for the width and also 2 cm for the height. Let's see what happens. It looks like a ball. So let's go into the 3D rotation and change your 3D viewpoint. It's not a circle, it's a half ball. So we should also set in the bottom level drawing circle. Let's set into circle and also set the same with radius. That's like 2 cm. Okay, it's like 2 cm. Choose this, set into 2 cm. Now it's exactly a ball, but in the middle they have a black line, they have a shadow. So if we want to remove the shadow, we should go into the color field and go into the line and choose no line, so this line in the middle will disappear. And you can change the color of this ball and choose any color you want. Like if I want to draw metal ball, so it has some, I will give it some silver color, and then going to change the material of this ball to be, material is changed here, and change the material to be metal. Okay, now it looks like metal because it has strong reflection, and the reflection angle you can change. The reflection you can change by change the angle of the lightning. Like if I change the angle of the lightning, the reflection changes. Yeah, to make it more like a real 3D component, you can also add some shadow for this component, for this ball. Like if we add some shadow of this ball, okay, but the shadow is appear in the left of this ball, so it's wrong. We can rotate by 3D rotation and change to make this shadow in the ground level. Now it looks like the shadow is in the ground level, but the thing is like the shadow is too close to the ball. So if you want to change that, you can go into the shadow and change the size, also the distance, to make it far away from the ball. Now it makes too far. So now it looks like a really beautiful 3D ball. And it's not only both. You can also draw some other 3D components, like you can also draw cylinder. If you want to draw a cylinder, you should also draw a circle first, and we also set the diameter 4 centimeter. And go into the 3D format, and just if it's a cylinder, you only need to change the depths, which if just like if we're setting the depth to 4 centimeter, and use 3D rotation to change, to have a better view of this. Okay, now it's a cylinder, and we can rotate it to make it straight. And if you want to make this edge of the cylinder more smooth, you can go to 3D format and change the top level and bottom level. Like we want to change it to round. Now it's much smooth, and you can also, if you increase the number of height or width, it will become more smooth. And you can also draw some 3D cylinder. Like if I draw a triangle, and I can also insert. I can also use to increase the depth of these components to make it 3D. To make it have a 3D. Also, if you want, this is some basic components. If you want to draw some more complex components, you can my first suggestion is you can draw a lot of basic components and put them together. And another thing I want to show you is how to draw some more complex shapes. Like I draw circle, and I want remove a triangle from this circle, like this one. I want to remove a part of the circle, so I'm going to here have some choices like union, combine, prisms, insert subject, some Boolean calculation. So now I am going to subtract. So you can see now some part of the circle has been removed by the triangle, and you can now we use this combined shape to generate some 3D components. Like if we increase depth to like 4 centimeter and use 3D rotation, you can see they have a V groove. They have a V groove from the circle, and we can also change the material to metal and change the color the same. We should use some silver color too, just like this one this one is a metal, and we use silver color and also change. Now it looks much better than before. So, and some very complex components is also combine or use some Boolean calculation with different basic shapes. And thanks for you watching this video, and I'm happy to show some PowerPoint drawing skills with you. Thank you very much.